congratulations. If you're watching this video, I hope that you made your order. If you haven't, go back. This isn't that important, but if you haven't made an order, but it's extremely important if you have made your order. So you're going to want to follow up with that supplier after the order. You don't want to wait a month and then it's, oh, now it's going to be 2 weeks and you weren't planning for that. Then on top of that, you're going to really emphasize that quality is important to you. And then also, I suggest that you ask, when is production going to begin? This is going to hold their feet to the fire and know that you're following up. Also, ask for some pictures of the first products that are made, and you could just see what the packaging looks like, the inserts, and the whole quality of the actual product. Now, you won't be able to find defects necessarily, but you could even ask for a video, like of them, playing around with the product and whatnot, or you get creative. It's going to be very different based on every product. You could have them do some even tests right there. But this is going to help ensure that you get things made on time, which is very important. And even more important, that there's no defects right away, because even if you've negotiated to have them pay for mistakes, you don't want to have to wait 4 weeks, 6 weeks, and then, wow, well, we got to start over. So just some quick tips that I thought I would share that, you don't need to do this necessarily all the time with your suppliers, but when you're building that relationship at first, definitely a good idea to do.